Hello, fellow biochemistry students. This is my introduction video to say hello to you all. My name is Mary Fantasia. Today is the 3rd of October, 2019. It is Thursday night here. I am currently filming this video from Syria, where I am deployed in the military. Normally I am stationed in San Antonio, Texas. The military has allowed me to live all over the world. Before Texas, I was stationed in Korea. Before Korea, I was stationed in Georgia. I went to college in Montana. I did ROTC in college and commissioned into the Army after. But I'm originally from Portland, Oregon. Hobbies. Here in Syria, there's not much to do besides work and try and stay busy. I read a lot, watch a lot of movies. Now taking this class. But back in the States, I have a lot of hobbies. I enjoy whitewater rafting, kayaking, really anything with two wheels, mountain biking, dirt biking, riding motorcycles, hanging out with my dog. Family, I have a dog who's living back in Texas. His name is Bean. He is a beagle. And my occupation, I'm in the Army. I am a ER nurse. I usually work at a level 1 trauma center in Texas. I am currently a part-time student at the University of New England, just taking biochemistry as a prerequisite for CRNA school. I'm taking this course as the prerequisite to apply for the Army's CRNA program through Baylor. And I'm hoping to get in and go to CRNA school in 2021. I wish you all the best of luck in this course. If anyone has questions about the military or nursing or anything, feel free to message me. I look forward to working with you all.